Hey, what's up, Theta Network holders? So, what's going on today? I have special good news for Theta Network. Yes, the good news is very special and brand, but this is live price prediction. But today, also, we decide to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. So, today video is going to be very special, brand, and very informative. So, if you are a new holder, then absolutely Theta Network holder, don't skip this video. Let's start this brand video, guys. First of all, I request you before I get started this video, please subscribe ABS Tech channel, please, and complete 1000 like, only 1000, and this video I do a giveaway. Yes, the giveaway is coming soon. Just complete and this video 1000 like, then I do a 1000 coins giveaway. Absolutely, the giveaway is coming soon. Just complete my 4000 subscriber and I do a giveaway. So guys, first of all, the live price prediction start now. This time I'm gonna show you the three charts of the last 1 day and the last 24 hour and the last 7 days, and then we decide to this is selling time or holding time. Absolutely gone good and those days. Absolutely, you can see here the Theta Network big chant, and this starting here from here. This time, if you can see here, the price as 12.59 US dollar, and they change and today and they jump very fastly, gone up. They've gone up 12.52 or something, and here as the very high jump, you can see here at the end of this hour. At the end of this hour, they come to 12.60. I hope they can hit at 12.60 US dollar. So what you say, can they can hit it? Please, I hope they can hit it. You can see here the chain occur and 1.37. So this is absolutely gone good. So if they are gone up, then absolutely this is good time to you buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this. But let's see to what's going on in the last 7 days result. The last 7 days, the last 24 hour, the last 7 day result is totally very good, bad, I hope. But this time, if you can see here, the change occur and last 24 hour as 2.93% going up. Oh my god, this is crash jump. Absolutely, you can see here they totally gone up the chart chain. Absolutely, you can see after a bad dump they take a very high jump. You can see here they take a very high jump. So I hope, friends, if they go like this, then I hope they price or easily cross it just in a few days. 13 US dollar they can cross it. Absolutely, this is possible. This is easy. At the end of this month they give you 15 US dollar. What do you say, can this is possible? I hope in upcoming days they're going up like a rocket. So let's see the last 7 days chart. What's going on in the last 7 days chart? Oh my goodness, wow, this is impossible, incredible, man, incredible. This time, if you can see here, the change occur and last 7 days, change occur 7.05% going up. Wow, what a crash change, man. This time the latest price is 13.67 US dollar, and the last 7 days, last 7 days, totally all crypto market goes down. 10 billion loss, just Bitcoin and StormX. These two cryptocurrency very badly down. Especially StormX has gone very badly down because it's a small cryptocurrencies and very badly down. So this time Theta Network holder, if you can see here, they take a very high jump. But you can see here this result absolutely gone very bad. You can see here absolutely very bad. They take a very high dumps. But again, I hope they're gone off like a rocket, and you can see here already the last 7 days, the last 1 day, and the last 1 hour charts absolutely is on a positive and gone off like a rocket. So my friends, my opinion is good from Theta Network, and I want to you buy it. What you say, this is buying time. I have 3-year experience and I share you in this video. This is not a financial video, this is just I give you advice. Please, I share my opinion to what are you do. Okay, so because a lot of people tell me to what we do, Theta Network is gone off, so what we do, sell, hold, or buy. So I suggest you, if you have any plan to buy more, then absolutely buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good price, they give you a good result. Please wait for this end month, they make you millionaire. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Please like because I do a giveaway. So the giveaway is coming soon. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.